The scalar product, or dot product, takes two vectors and gives you a single number. This number tells us a lot about how these vectors relate to each other. Think of it as a way to measure how much two vectors point in the same direction. There are two main ways to find it. Using coordinates. If you have vectors u and v in 2D, just multiply their matching coordinates and add them. Using lengths and angle. You can also multiply the length of the first vector by the length of the second, and then by the cosine of the angle between them. This formula is key for understanding its geometric meaning. The scalar product has useful properties. Commutative. The order doesn't matter. Distributive. You can distribute it over vector addition. Scalar multiplication. A number multiplied by a vector can be pulled out of the dot product. Vector with itself. A vector dotted with itself equals its length squared. This is where the scalar product gets powerful. Perpendicularity, orthogonality. If the scalar product of two vectors is 0, it means they are perpendicular. This is a golden rule. Parallelism. If vectors are parallel and point the same way, the dot product is positive. If they are parallel but point in opposite directions, and the dot product is negative.